Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gitsa Kuratu Aini. So, I am a student from Pakuan University, Faculty of Teacher, Training and Educational Science. So, I am from English Education Study Program. Now, I am on my 7th semester. So, I would like to present one of my assignment. So this presentation is to fulfill the requirements of the course English for Specific Purposes or ESP, which is taught by Miss Dr. Andes Ati Herawati MPD. So today I would like to present my lesson plan 3. So this is my part. So here my group consists of Inas, Nadia, and also Gitsa. So this is my part, which is lesson plan 3, and this lesson plan is designed for office administration students, grade 12 and beginner level. So the objectives of this lesson are: the first one, students are able to differentiate formal and less formal in the letter business. And then the second one, students are able to understand common sentence and phrases in the body of the letters. And then the third one, students are able to arrange letters part into a complete business letter. And finally, students are able to write a full formal letter independently. Now, I will explain materials used in this lesson. Here, so there are 4 worksheets in this lesson. The first one, the worksheet 1 focus on salutation and closing, both formal and less formal. Students will match the correct salutation with the correct closing itself. Is it formal with formal or less formal with less formal? And then in this worksheet, students also learn common phrase in the body of the letter, such as reference, purposes, and also closing statements. And then for the worksheet 2 here, is about arranging a jumbo letter. Students will arrange a mixed part of a letter into a complete and correct business letter. And then the worksheet 3 here, I use an analogy-based learning approach. Writing a letter is compared to visiting an office, such as filling a guest book, greeting the staff, and also explaining the purposes and also saying goodbye. And then this worksheet will help students understand a letter structure in a simple and real-life way. And then the last worksheet is finally, this is the final activity. Students are asked to write a full business letter based on what they have learned from the previous worksheets. And next, I will explain the teaching procedure here. In the starter activity here, the teacher reviews the previous lesson about essential parts and also optional parts of letters and shows an example of a business letter. And in the main activity here, from number 1 until 13, in the main activity, students work on worksheet 1, worksheet 2, and worksheet 3 step by step with guidance and discussion from the teacher, based what I have explained it before. And then the final activity, students will write their own formal letter in worksheet 4. Through this lesson, students are expected to improve their understanding of business letter structure and apply it real life in a real office administration situation. So I think this is my presentation about the lesson plan. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm happy to receive any question or suggestion. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.